Before we start, I recommend the Art of Sculptor channel. The creator sculpts famous movie characters out of clay, such as Yoda from Star Wars, Venom, Groot, Dobby, and others. His works turn out to be very realistic, so let's support him with likes and subscriptions. The link to his channel will be in the description. Hello, this is Khanmade. I sculpted a Volzhsky Automobilny Zavod 2107 out of clay. I made this car entirely from sculpting clay and regular colored clay. I've often been asked to create something from the Soviet auto industry, so I chose to sculpt the Volzhsky Automobilny Zavod 2107, a model I've made before. That was the channel's first video, the start of everything. I made this car for a crash test, so I made thin body parts for more realistic damage. I thoroughly detailed the underbody, interior, and engine. The second impact was a glancing blow to the right side. You can even see scratches all along the side. The rear wheel got jammed, as did the front one. The rear fender used to have a normal shape, now it's bigger. That bulge is gone, and the back looks even worse now. Everything got crumpled further inward. On the left side, the rear wheel got jammed. It gave the ram a more angular shape, causing the left fender to be pushed hard into the engine. And here's what happened to the engine. Everything here got more compacted. It's kind of a mess now. Well, here the front part just got torn apart. It's barely holding together now. It's just a mess, really. The damage looks like it got hit by a train. Subtitles. Subtitles. That's it for this monster. It's time to make a new body. This one's already done its time. I think that's enough destruction for now, and this part is already all twisted. It's just crazy. Half of the front got ripped off. I think we'll wrap it up here. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Also, don't forget to join the VKontakte group. I post photos of all my work there. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye everyone.